Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Shedrack, and on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy SME data at a very cheap price using a platform which we call modata.com.ng. I've been talking about this on our channel here. Make sure you subscribe and like and share this video because on this channel, we talk more of telecommunication. We talk about how to make money online using various business models. Now, one of the reasons why we usually talk on telecommunication is because one of the easiest and the safest business so far that you can do online and without much a kind of what's called. Let me say it is very easy and is 100% legit. So on this video, what we're going to be looking at is how to actually buy SME data at a very cheaper price. Now, this platform, which is called modata.com.ng, has been launched for a very long time, and we have been talking about it on the channel. But then, those of you that are new, maybe you have not been able to go through the what's called the series we have talked on this channel about more data. Then we're going to be looking at it critically. Now, we'll be able to look at how to access SME data at a very cheap price and how to actually fund your account, how to register. A lot of video training on this series is going to be happening right away. So don't go anywhere. Subscribe and like and share this video. Having said that, let's go to the video properly. Now, to get started, all you have to do is to link in the description of this video to sign up. Once you are here on the modata.com.ng platform, you can either click on register for as like if you don't have account already. But if you have an account, you can just quickly go click on what's called login, right? So once you click on register, it will take you to this interface. Now this interface is very simple. All you have to do is to put your first name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number. Now this place where you see email address is very, very important. You put the right information. I'm talking about put your right email, because if you don't put, this is where the system is going to send you a verification code, and without that code, you cannot actually register on the platform. So make sure you add that code, and once you are done, the next phase is where the system is going to tell you to verify your account. Okay, after you must have put other credentials like your PIN. That PIN is very important again, because that PIN is the four what's called digit PIN that will enable you to actually what's called perform transaction on the platform. So once you are done with your registration, you can quickly click on login. So once you click on login, it will take you to the place where you have to actually log in into your existing account. So I already have an account already, as I said. So I'm going to quickly log into my own account. So you can see I just put my what's called my phone number and then my password, which of course when you're registering, we're able to define these two criterions on the system. So once you are done with that, just click on login, continue to dashboard. So the step is going to take you to that's if you click on proceed to dashboard, it's going to take you to your own personalized back office on modata.com.ng. One of the things that I like in modata.com.ng is its uniqueness in terms of like, okay, user interface. It's very top notch, guys. It's very top notch, guys. The first thing you are going to notice here is the information dashboard. Okay, the notification that tells you what is happening on the platform. So make sure you read it through. Whatever that is maybe like a challenge or maybe updates, the system is going to report that to you. So make sure you read before you close it. So here are the few things you need to get what's called to understand about your account area. Now, this place where you see wallet balance is talking about the amount you have. You can see that I have 98 naira at the moment. So here you also talk about your referral link. You can actually share this opportunity to people to register and make use of the platform in real time and get rewarded for such action. So the other place you can see is the easy action. So you can see this place. This place is going to tell you to click on any of these call to actions to perform any of your recharge needs, right? That include data, airtime, cable, electricity subscription, and any other thing that you think you want to perform here. Now, if you come down here, there is also a banner here. This banner is just talking about, okay, the little advert about the platform, enable you to buy data at any time. Remember, this platform is online 24/7, any time of the day, and that is the good thing as part of you can solve for data in the midnight, you can solve for data in the mid-morning, you can solve for data in the afternoon, you can solve for any time of the day. So that's the whole essence. And most of you that are anxious of, okay, what's the meaning of more data? More data simply means mobile online data. It means that you can actually buy data any time of the day using this platform. So you can see here, this is your recent transaction. It's going to be displaying here. Whatever activities you have performed on the system, you are going to be seeing it right away here. So that's on this. Now, I haven't explained a little bit about how the what's called the dashboard system look like. Now let's look at one very critical aspect of the whole thing, which is how to fund your account. So quickly, if you click on this fund wallet, you can see it right away at the top there. Just click on this fund wallet. Okay, if you click on fund wallet, it's going to take you to a place where you're actually going to see your own dedicated bank account. Now, this place is very important. You pay attention. Now, once you sign up on this platform, you'll be given a two dedicated bank account, which is Wima Bank and Sterling Bank. You can see my is here. Please do not use my own. Make sure that you take your own as like, okay, make sure that you have your own as like you copy your own. So all you have to do, if you are using your mobile device, all you have to do is to just click on copy account number and then go to your mobile what's called a bank account to make a transfer. Now any amount you send here is going to be automatically be credited to your main wallet. Now let me show you another thing, which is before we go for the funding properly. If you go to the dashboard here, I'm actually taking going to the dashboard. If you click on dashboard, you can see that this is the amount I have right now. Now, if you click, if you check here, you're able to see that this is 98 naira, right? So we are going to top up this account just to show you that everything is working here on automation. Now, one good thing about this platform is that even if it is midnight that you actually are using this platform, you will be funded, right? So, and that's good aspect of it. You don't need to contact admin. You don't need to wake up in the morning and say, admin, please help me fund my account. It doesn't work here. Okay, so let me just, I'm actually on my mobile app. So I'm going to make a transfer to this Wima Bank. Okay, I'm going to just send in some amount of money just to, let's just say I'm going to send in, and the good aspect of it is I can sell as low as 300, 500 naira, 1,000, any amount you may think about on this system. So that's a good aspect of it. And the charge rate is very minimal. Okay, so the platform do not charge you much to do what's called to. Now, once you enter your account number on your bank app, make sure that the account read MSFY / unique recharge solution minus your initial, your name initial. Make sure that it is reading it up. Okay, mine is also reading it here. So once you are done, you click on next. Then here I'm gonna just put in the amount I want. I want to send 300. I just want to send 300. So I'm just gonna click on confirm. Then I'm gonna put my PIN. And wow, I've sent in the cash. So let's look at whether the system has also sent the money to us on this our account. Now, if you're enjoying value on this video, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay. Then you go back to your dashboard any time of the day. Once you send money to your account, always refresh. Take a while, maybe 1 second, or maybe depending on the network of the bank for the money to reflect. Another thing you should also know here is that you can click on history here. If you click on this history, you can see everything that is happening as regards to like maybe activities that is happening, just like what you are seeing here, but you can also trace it on this history. So let me just show you something. On this place, you can see everything that's happening, both your data transaction and everything here. Now, another thing is that you can also turn into dark mode. That's if you want to enjoy the dark mode of the platform. So those of you that has maybe you have a light issue or something, maybe you are you don't want to be seen dark what's called white background. You can change it to dark mode by clicking on that option there. So the next thing we want to do while we wait for the fund is to click on buy data. Okay, once you click on buy data, you'll be taken to the place where you have to see everything about how to make purchases. Now, one of the things that you should get here is that either you select each of this network, right? Can either select Airtel, Glo, or 9Mobile. Okay, so if you click on this place, let me just show you something. If I click, you can click the select here. The system automatically populate the network. Or you select Airtel, you see that as I selected Airtel, the system has already populated it on the network section. So you can also select Glo. Whatever network you select, you are going to see the data variation plans there. So let me just select MTN, and then I'm going to click on data type. Though there is data type here. We have SME, we have gifting, we have corporate. So if you select SME, for instance, you are going to see all the data plans on SME. So these are things you have to pay attention, because it's not all about registering on a platform. It's to understand how the system works. Okay. Now these are the things I'm explaining right away on this video. You can see here. You can see the plan of 1 gig of MTN. You can see it's sold for 267 naira per gig at the moment. So what you have to do is to put in the phone number that you want to buy that data from. Make sure that the system validates it. Make sure that the system marking that is actually okay before you proceed. You can see it is marking it is okay, right? So once you are done, you now click on buy data. So once you click on this buy data, it will ask you for your PIN. Okay, it will tell you, so, okay, you want to buy this data to this line, right? So we want to do it right away. So what you have to do is to click on this yes. Once you click on yes, it will ask you for your PIN. Now, this PIN is what you define when you are registering. Remember that is a time I told you that if you are registering, you're going to ask you for your PIN. So put that PIN and then process the transaction. This transaction is going to be going instantly, guys. It doesn't waste time for your data to be able to be credited to your cell phone. That is one good thing about moredata.com.ng. So if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Now, another thing I want to show you again is how to actually check all the data prices. So if you click on this view pricing, you'll be able to see all the prices of the data. So let me click on this view prices. Let me just show you something. So you're going to see every of the data prices. You're going to see all the data prices. You can see it right away. Every of the data prices is all shown here. Okay. So make sure that you check all the data prices to make sure that it's what you as like, okay, these are the what's called the prices you like. If you don't like the current package you are, which is like, okay, subscriber, you can actually upgrade to agent to get a better rate, or even to a vendor to get more better rates. So this is more on this. We are going to still be talking about on this moredata.com.ng, but I just want to bring this intro training. Then subscribe to and like and share this video, because in the next series on this video, we're going to do a practical buying of product in real time using this platform. My name is Shedrack, and I remain host. I'm going to see you in the very next video. Thanks and God bless.